Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to record donations in QuickBooks Online. If you're running a coffee shop or any small business that receives donations, tracking them properly in your accounting software is essential for keeping accurate financial records and ensuring you can report this income correctly come tax season. Let's start by setting up a donation item in your QuickBooks account. First, you'll want to click on the plus new button, which you'll find in the upper left corner of your QuickBooks dashboard. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Product Service. This is where you'll create the specific item that represents your donations, making it easy to track them consistently moving forward. When the Product and Service Setup window opens, you'll need to select Service as the type. This classification works perfectly for donations since they're not physical products you're selling, but rather income received for supporting your business. Next, give your item a clear descriptive name. You might call it Coffee Shop Donations or simply Fund Donations, whatever makes the most sense for your business records and will be easy to recognize later. Now here's a critical step. Under the Income Account section, you need to choose Fund Donations from the drop-down menu. This ensures that all donations are recorded in the correct account category, keeping them separate from your regular sales revenue. This separation is important for financial reporting and tax purposes. Once you've configured everything, click Save and Close to finalize your new donation item. Now that your donation item is set up, let's record an actual donation that you've received. Click Plus New again, but this time select Sales Receipt from the menu. This is the document you'll use to record donations that are received immediately as opposed to pledges that will come in later. In the Sales Receipt window, start by selecting the donor from the Customer drop-down menu. If this is a new donor, you'll need to add them first. Then choose your Coffee Shop Donations item from the Product Service list and enter the donation amount in the Amount field. Make sure to set the payment method accurately, whether it's cash, credit card, check, or another form of payment. Finally, ensure the deposit is set to go into your coffee shop's bank account so the funds are tracked properly. Once all the details are filled in correctly, click Save and Close to record the donation. The transaction is now logged in your QuickBooks account, and you can pull reports anytime to see your total donations received. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.